Buying a home doesn't have to be a stressful event. As many people think, with a little planning and foresight, the experience can really be positive. Now it's important to begin by making a list of what you want in your new home. Prioritize them according to what you need and what you want. Some attributes you may consider are the neighborhood, the size of the home, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, parking, schools, and our proximity to work. Once you have determined how much you can afford, a simple way to get started is to drive around the neighborhoods. You, like a good agent, will use all resources and a team to find you the best home, arrange for the best financing, negotiate the lowest price, and meet all your home buying needs. It is important to remember that an agent is compensated through a seller, not a buyer, and therefore there is no direct cost to you for their services. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call, or text me directly. I wish you all the best in finding the home of your dreams.